If you clicked on this video, chances are that you're curious about how to get rich. We often hear in our lives that first we have to go to school, get a degree, find a job, and if everything goes well and you have a little luck, you might be rich in 10 years. But in reality, it's much simpler than that. In general, there are three main reasons why people want to get rich: to get relieved of a job you hate, to earn status and respect, and to be able to buy whatever they want without having to worry about whether it's a wise decision. Then you've come to the right place. In this video, I will show you 3 simple habits that will make you so rich that you will question the true meaning of making money. Read books that change your mindset. The first habit, reading books. But not just any kind of reading. This isn't about picking up the latest best-selling novel or flipping through another self-help book. The focus needs to be books that open your mind to new ideas about money, success, and life. Reading is the easiest way to tap into years of knowledge in a short amount of time. You get rich in your mind before your bank account ever catches up. Here's what you need to do. Start reading at least 1 book a month. Just 10 minutes before bed can change everything. Books on business, psychology, and self-improvement are absolute game changers. Once you begin, you'll be smarter than most people who spend years trying to figure it out. It's like having a cheat code for success. Some must-reads: there are several books that can completely change your mindset about money and success. One recommendation is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, which helps you understand how to make money work for you instead of the other way around. Another great book is Atomic Habits by James Clear, which shows how small changes in your daily life can have a huge impact on your success. Ikigai by Hector Garcia is also valuable, as it helps you discover what truly drives you. If you read 1 book per month, you'll gain more knowledge in 6 months than many people do in their entire lives. Watch the right content. Let's face it, most of us spend hours watching videos online, but if you're serious about becoming rich, you need to start watching the right content. Forget the streams of funny compilations or pointless entertainment. Instead, watch podcasts, interviews, and videos that teach you how to think and act like a millionaire. People who have found success are sharing exactly how they did it through podcasts and videos. Take notes as you watch. You'll thank yourself later. Whether you're at the gym or commuting, turn on a podcast that challenges how you think about wealth. Listen to how successful people approach life. What did they learn that set them apart? What mistakes did they avoid? Look for videos that dive deep into building wealth without relying on luck. Take Naval Ravikant's podcast. For example, his episode How to Get Rich Without Getting Lucky is a great starting point. Also, Sam Ovens and Alex Becker post videos on how to create fulfilling careers and build businesses that aren't just about dollar signs. You'll be surprised how just a few hours of watching the right content can completely shift your mindset. Learn high-value skills. This is the final and perhaps the most important habit. Learn skills that pay off. The world is constantly evolving, and there's always a demand for high-income, future-proof skills. Whether you're a creative or technically inclined, there's a skill set out there for you that can change everything. If you're good with design, learn how to create stunning websites or thumbnails for YouTubers. If you're great at talking to people, dive into marketing, sales, or human resources. You don't have to fit into a specific mold. Figure out what makes you unique and combine it with the right skills. That's where the magic happens. The more valuable your skills are, the more money you can make. It's not just about learning any skill. It's about mastering one that aligns with your personality and passions. The point is, find what you enjoy and get so good at it that people can't ignore you. People will always need experts, and once you master a high-demand skill, making money becomes easier. The truth about investing. Now, you might be wondering, what about investing? Should I dive into stocks or crypto? Now, investing is great, but don't rely on it to make you rich if you don't already have a solid income stream. If you only have $300 in your bank account, putting it into crypto isn't going to turn you into a millionaire overnight. What you need to do first is focus on building a strong base with your high-income skills. Once you have mastered those, then you can start thinking about investing the money you've earned. Becoming rich isn't some complicated, distant dream. It's about building the right habits, reading the right books, watching the right content, and learning high-value skills. The best part? You don't need to wait 10 years or follow a traditional path to get there. Start today, and in a few months, you'll be amazed at how far you've come. Lastly, that's going to cost you 1 subscribe and maybe a like if you're feeling generous. And hey, don't forget, Tips in the form of shares are always appreciated. Now, let's go out there and make things happen.